Hello friend, today we unboxing Samsung Galaxy A07. The design is very slim design, 7.6 mm, powerful performance, 6x OS security. Let's open the box and we'll see. This is a device that is a SIM tray. And this one is a data cable. The device color is very beautiful color, and there is a side is a fingerprint sensor and power button and volume down and volume up.
To enable accessibility mode, continue holding the screen with 2 fingers until you hear a beep.
The middle frame is plastic, and upper side is have one mic. There is have a SIM tray. I will show you SIM tray open, and that is a dual nano SIM card, and one is SD card support. That side is have a 3.5 mm jack, one mic, and USB Type C, one speaker.